Well, hello, you trader nerds. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds like Sean, like 12547, like Chain, like DB, like Drew, like Edwin, like Hal, like Jason, like John, like Matt Jollywally, like Mike Smith, like Mo, like Panks. Had a great session with Panks yesterday. Ricardo, Rick, the man, the myth, the legend, the founder of the Rick Trade, Sergio, Sid, Stacy in Tennessee. Steve, Steven, Tyler, Darmesh, Vicky, and Vicky with another spelling. And Ed rounds out the nerds today. How are y'all? Welcome in. Well, we were down a 1% yesterday, but we are up 1% today, baby, because everybody got it in their head and knew that we should be up. We don't go down. This market doesn't go down. VIX in the 12 handle, AD at 392. Let's look at the big green monster. I told you we're going to the 5711. It's just a matter of time, and it very well may be today, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. The market is ripping, but we should experience a little bit of resistance up here, as the French would say. Not a lot of French here in Bowden, Georgia, but the French would say a little resistance right here. You see a little interplay as we go up. Let's look at we were going to do the, in Muscadine Mafia today. We were going to do the screwdriver, but my screwdriver worksheet is not working, so we'll have to figure out something else to talk about today. But that will be for the Muscadine Mafia. It'll be for the Ninja Nerds and the Hello Ladies all today.
Hello, ladies.
Hello, ladies. So all of that will be going immediately following this program. So this looks good. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression. We have an engulfing candle here. I don't guess it's totally engulfing, but yeah, I guess that is what it is. And remember, you have areas of consolidation, you have movement, you have consolidation, you have movement, and then we will at some point consolidate again, and then we'll have movement to the downside. So that's what we're looking at. But life is good, y'all. Let's see how the little thing is doing today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, remember, the account that we're doing today has negative theta and it's got positive delta. And we were like, oh, will this hurt us or will it not hurt us? So let's see if it hurts us or not. Y'all ready for it? So let's see what our net lick is today. Put on a 111 yesterday. Naked put is up 32%. Sell the naked put back and roll out for more credit. Makes sense? Sure. Heck, sell that baby. Roll you out another one. Get you some more credit, DB. But Davey, let me just say this to you. What does your plan say? If your plan says you can't roll it, you can't roll it unless you change that plan. Stick to the trading plan, family. Family, we have the Bible of trading. It is called our trading plan, baby. And whatever the trading plan says, oh, look at my professor resume. You want to look at my resume? Where's my daggone thing at? Let's see, open. Anyway, I can't find it. But anyway, the trading plan, whatever your trading plan says, is what we need to do, right? So let's see how our little account's doing today. I think we can play the Jeffersons. So let's see here. Tasty Trade Spreadsheet. Let's see how we're doing today. Today is the day of our Lord 7/12/24, baby. Hey, did y'all watch Joe Biden last night? Now, y'all, I'm indifferent. I don't care, Republican, Democrat. I thought he did a really good job last night. Now, yeah, he called Trump the vice president and, things like that, but I thought he did really good. I was proud. I was pulling for him. I was like, I don't want it. I want it to be Trump versus Biden. Let's just have it and let's see how they do. So that's going to be good. So I thought he did a really good job. I think he did enough good last night. And he's talking about all kind of stuff. I was like, oh, well, he even talked about some old gal sitting in a meeting, knew her name and everything. I was like, he ain't that. What are you chewing on? What's that damn dog chewing on? Come here. What are you chewing on? Leave that alone. You're messing with my art supplies. Come over here, you little dorky. You know what a dorky is? It's a half Dachshund, half Yorkie. Let's see. Here we go. So let's see. Oh my God. Da 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 da. All right. So Papal did good last night. I watched the whole thing, but he made me so dang mad. I'm like, he's an hour late almost. Why do presidents do that? I think George W. Bush was the one that was always on time, but Papal kept us a little late. Oh my gosh, y'all ain't gonna believe this how much money we made. Y'all ready for this? $52,337.16. Fire up the band, baby. Well, we're moving on now. To the Rico. Got Rico's name. Now, Matt, he did call Zelensky Putin. He did. Now, Putin is a lot more of a fun name to say than Zelensky. I'll say that. So he did call him that. And then they showed a picture of like Blinken, the Secretary of State last night, like when he called Vice President Trump. I mean, you could just see this guy's like, oh my God, what is he doing? But I feel sorry that he's like under the gun so much now. I don't know. Y'all, we all gonna get old if we don't die early. Only the good die young. But it's gonna be sad. It's gonna be sad when we all get there and we're going up steps and we fall and we break our hips and we do all this kind of stuff. It's gonna be sad. Look at us, y'all. Now, y'all, this is amazing. We started this little account this year at $42,000. And we have made, now this is after commissions and everything, $10,311.16. We're up 24. I'm gonna play Jefferson's one more dang time. Well, we're moving on now. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Thank you, Jesus, the founder of all blessings from above. This is amazing. This is great. All right. So we're very appreciative of our little returns. 24.54%. We're right at 25%. Can y'all hear my dog with his squeaky toy? What's his squeaky toy up? You little cuss. All right. So what were we doing? Oh, we got to figure out our Greeks and ratios. 99 and a negative 47 on theta. 99, negative 47. Let's see how that looks. 99, 99, 99, negative 47. And we're in the 12 handle, baby. Now remember, if you're new, we learned something. I learned from one of my students this week. That's why I do mentoring too, because I learned from my students. You can't take this right here as your buying power. This is your initial buying power. Okay. You got to go into cap requirement. You got to go and click your little ES button here. And then you got to update this thing here. And it goes 13,389. See, this is the initial requirement. Now, like Matt Jolly Wally said the other day, well, I'm more conservative, is what he said. So he was like, I can do the 16,000 and just to be a little more conservative. If you want the real number, your holding requirement is the 13,389. 13,389. There we go, baby. We are at 25%. It is like life is good. So let's see if we've had any GTC orders filled since the 10th. I don't think we have. Just look though, activity. We'll go to field orders. Make sure this thing is updated correctly. Day. Nope, nothing at all. So let's, do you think Putin knows that he's got a funny name? Do you think everybody's like, and that's just amazing that it's like, what was I saying? Oh, we need to do, what are we going to do? No GTC orders. So we need to put on our 111. What's our tranche size over here? I don't forgot. We ain't put in trades in a long time. I don't have a tranche size. Let's see. What do we normally do over here? See if we got any auto close date stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh, behave. It's telling me to close my short puts all the way down at 3,900. Why would I do that though? Well, it's because I got 21 days left. But you know what? My theta is so low that I think, now this is just a premonition. I think I'm just going to leave it on. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I did 3 the other day. Let's do 3 today. Let's get this thing cranked up. Let's get us some theta, baby. Let's do 3 today. So let's do a naked put 20. And I forgot how to do 111s. It's been so long. Someone asked me the other day, just yesterday, matter of fact, says, why don't you just do the black swan hedge and nothing else? And I thought, it worked out good before. Because think about it, if we have uh, the election cycle, if it really does get funky dunky and Biden does drop out or something, I mean, this thing could be, it could be funky wonky. I mean, we can have some big moves one way or the other. So I don't know. You might want to put your hedges on. Seems like the market's okay with everything now, though. So I don't know. What was I doing? Oh, we're going to put on trade on the macros. There's my dadgum macros. All right, so we'll go trade and we'll go, how do you do this again? Closest to 120 days. And you're going to put in put depth spread and sell a 10 delta. Sell 3 of the 5100. Well, Bobby, you done sold the 50/50. Who cares? Sell some more, baby. It is fun and dandy. We're going to try to get 35.50. Let's see if we can do it. Only you can. Hey, Sid. Hey, Bobby. For the beginner portfolio, should the first trade be the start of a black swan hedge on a down day and wait until the protection is harvested and then begin the, whoa, I got filled just by waiting, and then begin the 112? You could do that. Yeah, you could do that. That's fine, Sid. You could do that. Or, normally what I do is I put on about 3 weeks worth of 112s and then I start the hedges. But yeah, you could hit the hedges first and be ready to go. Sure could. Yeah, it's a good way to start off. Now, what did I do? 150 days, or 35.50, the 5100, 35.50, 5100, 5100, and a nice premium, y'all. How about all these little beginner trade? I'm not talking about y'all, but these little amateur traders. That's what I should say. Out there going, well, ain't no volatility in the market. I can't trade nothing. And here we are getting 35.50, where we were getting what? God, I ain't sold one in a while. $30 there. Will you quit with that squeaky toy, you stupid little dog? Cocoa bean. All right, so that's a naked. Let's see, 7, 12, 24. It's Tony Batista's birthday. Happy birthday, Tony Batista. Did I do 3 of them or just one of them? I think I just did one of them. No, I did 3 of them. God, I'm good. Hal would have cost that. Hal or Rick would have cost that and said, Bobby, you should have done 3. So I did 3. So that's fine. Now what I got to do? I got to do a put debit spread, baby. Put debit spread. Yeah, so let's do that. Put debit spread. Same expiration. I don't know why I closed it. And let's try this one. We'll do the 55.50, the 55.50, 5500, 10.75. Okay, I don't want to pay that much, but do what you got to do. 10.75. Let's go. I said 10.75 back there. Don't make me go up to 11. Unbelievable. Ain't got no time for that. There we go, baby. There we go. Now, I'm going to have to come and let me put this in, and then I got to do a little confession to y'all because things ain't as rosy as I made it out to be the other day. So we did the 55.50s for $11. 55.50, 5,500 for $11. Sound like Jesse Duplantis. Lord, that man. He said he got the biggest house in Louisiana. Jesse Duplantis. Lord have mercy. All right. Puts, debit spread, 126 days. 7, 12, 24. All right, let's put them in their groups. Naked put 20, PDS 20. Let's go over and put them in their groups. So our positions, MES. So we got naked put 20. Group positions. Naked put 20. And the put debit set training. And then I want to go and show y'all. And I got so upset. I thought we had something done good the other day. PDS 20. All right. So what we did is we went, and you remember when we did our little P&L graph? Let me show you my P&L graph. Yeah. Sometimes this thing shows like this and looks like you own stock. So you have to come over here and then you have to go, okay, I want my this on there. I want my this on there. I want my this on there. And I want my this on there. So y'all remember the other day we were completely green. There was not a place on the board where we were not green. Look at this, y'all. If we stay right here, we're going to make $4,000. But if we grind down at expiration, we gonna make, look at this, $9,541. But here's what I wanted to show you that I was upset about. Remember the other day, I was like, man, we got this perfectly hedged account. No, it ain't. What's this? Cap requirement. Let me show you this and redo that. Do that. Risk analysis. Crap. Well, dang it. So let's go to points instead of percent. Let's go to 25. See, remember when it was positive the other day? Sure. But it was positive until I did those 33. Where's those 33s that I sold? Here. Remember I sold 33 shorts the other day? Look at there. Woo! I was a positive 171. But when I sold those 33 shorts, y'all, Lord help us in the name, $188,000 to the downside. Now, y'all, here's another thing. We got to remember we can use 50%. We don't think a crash is coming if a couple things are happening. Number one, you're above the 200 moving daily average, which we are. This is above its 200 moving daily average. And remember the second thing, and I don't show this a lot. What are you dang eating now? Come here. If you're eating my art supplies again, you quit eating my little art card. You little freak. You little dorky. Come here. Unbelievable. Ain't have nothing anymore. Hey, will somebody bring me a Diet Coke? Where'd all my family go? Where'd the family? Staff! Staff! My staff is not here. Okay. And then the 10 weekly above the 20 exponential moving average. As long as that works, then, and remember, here's what I want you to do is if you're in our little thing here, these are, let's see where I've shared these to a little bit. There's two little videos that you guys need to watch here. Best indicator, 100-year back test. This is the 200 daily moving average. This is why we use 50% if we're above that. And then there's the EMA crossover magic, the 10 and the 20 that eliminates drawdowns as well. So we're trying to eliminate drawdowns. If we're above those moving averages, we stay fully vested. Questions, concerns? All right. If not, I will see y'all in the Muscadine Mafia session coming up next. Bye, y'all.